Hello guys, today's video will be about Enscape. It is the first video at my channel, so I will be showing you how I did this render. Okay, I did two photos. This was the first one, and then this is the second one. I used a model. I just downloaded it from 3D Warehouse. I will put the link of it in the description so you can follow up. And now let's just go to Enscape. So the model was something like this. Okay, even let me just put these guys in the tag so we can directly okay without it, no need. So it was something like this without this sphere light, or sorry, this spotlight. Okay, this spotlight, just I bought them from Enscape, and even I put some lights. Now I will show you. Let me just go first of all to Enscape. Okay, because the model directly I just downloaded in the same situation. It was something like this. I just put this block in here, but it's okay. Let me just go directly to Enscape. I went to visual setting in here. I just unchecked the auto exposure. It was something like auto exposure. Okay, I just uncheck it, and I just increased it, or I don't remember exactly the number or how it was, but anyway, now it's 50%. And then the field of view, because of this scene, okay, I think it's fine for me now. For the image, I just increased a bit the highlight of the image, and then actually all these settings I made them after putting the lights. Okay, so let's just go again to SketchUp, and let me just open these layers and show you what I did. What I did is just putting some lines and some lighting and rectangle lighting, like so. As you see, these are the lighting that I put for the rectangle lighting. It is just a rectangle, and then I just copy it and like so. I will show you in here. Maybe it's something like this. Okay, and then I just as you see now, it's like this way. I just move it up, let's say a bit like this, and then just control with the M. Okay, and then just copy it, for example, like this, and then by 2. Okay, and after that I just select all of them, and then right click, or sorry, M, and then with the control to copy it more than one time. Okay, after that, let's say I just accepted this one. I just started to rotate all of them. The Q, of course, there is the shortcut for the rotation. I just started to rotate each one or some of them. Okay, so you can use, of course, some plugins to do this one. I think the plugin's named Chaos or something like this. Anyway, I just did it. And also for the light, because when I went to SketchUp, as you see, it's lighting in maybe some of you maybe will accept it like this, and especially if you want to make or just to play around with the field of view or the depth of field. What I did also is just I put some line. I just put as you see, it's a line, so you can directly just increase the length of it, and then again rotate it and make it 90 degree, and then copy it exactly the same way how I did the rectangle. So you can also just go to SketchUp, just turn it on. If I just look around, you can see I put some panels. I think it's 12. Okay, these are 6, and these are, I think, another 6 or 5. Anyway, I just put some panels in here, and then also I put some behind the scene. Okay, So in this way, if I just go into or open SketchUp or Enscape, you can see, I think for me, let's say I accepted it to be like that. Okay, so even though if you think that it's maybe like a bright scene or something, maybe you can play around with the atmosphere, with the artificial light, and then I mean, maybe increase it or decrease it as you want. The ambient brightness, okay, I just increase it for 100 because I wanted to see it something. I want to see, I mean, the effect of it. And then maybe let me just increase it a bit because I like to see a bright scene. Okay, for the shadow, maybe you can even see. So with the sun brightness, this is one of the important things. I just put it, let me even put it maybe 15. It will be even better for me. With the heights, with the sky, okay, I just started to, let's say, play around with these settings. Where this is the output, I just put it Ultra HD, or you can put it as a custom one and then put the numbers as you wish. I didn't put any in the sky or something, it's just a white background. For the atmosphere, I just play around even with the height. Let me see, maybe this one is okay, maybe like this, it will be better. So in this way, I just made I mean these renders, okay, this one and the second one. Let me just make another shot with you, okay, but in this scene, because I'm thinking about making a scene something like this, okay, so, and then I will just go to visual setting, okay, and increase the, not like this, first of all, the field of view, okay, increase it and make it something like that, make it as maybe horizontal. I'm just moving with the W, A, S, D, E, Q, these buttons, you know, of course, these guys. Okay, let me see, maybe like this. I'm thinking about making maybe like that, or let me see, I will put something in here, a green element. So I will just go to SketchUp first, and I think I do have a block, okay, so let me just go to SketchUp files in here, and then the blocks, and then the green. Yes, this one I think will be perfect for us. And what I like to do when I'm just adding a block, I just like to go to top view first, and then make it as a parallel one, and then add one is a group now, that one is another one. Okay, so I will go to top view. I think I will, okay, I will be putting it in this point. So we'll just go to here and then select it, move it. Yeah. I will see now. Maybe I will need to, or I need to just scale it down a bit. Yeah, it's a huge one. Yeah, and then S for scale. When you want to scale it, you should just select one of these corners to scale it properly. Go to scene 1 again, and let me go to scale, to Enscape. The problem, this problem, yeah, I think it's fine now. This problem is happening because I just bend this one by using disk pen. Okay, so it's fine for me now. Let me just uncheck it, open it now. Okay, yeah, I think, let me just take it a bit here, move it to the left. I think it's fine, you know. The thing is, because I think my shot will be something like so. Okay, so for that I will just open again the visual setting. I can just play around with the depth of field like this. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is the result that I'm looking for. I think so. So for that, right click and create a show and name it 3. Wait a bit until you will be able to create it. Now create it, and yeah, this is the result for now. Okay, so I will just go to, I think I'm not going to see anything else, so it's fine for me. Just close this one a bit. So after some adjustments, actually I just made it like this, as you see. So now I will just make sure from the generate the resolution. I will just put it Ultra HD, and then I will just screenshot it and then save it.